So this is the stairs to the upstairs unit from the shared garage. It comes up here into the second floor. Living room, dining room space, separate kitchen. This one does have a stove and refrigerator. There's no dishwasher on the upper unit, but you do have a nice little island here for extra space. And this unit has 3 bedrooms and a private bath. It also has its own laundry room with electric hookups for the dryer, washing machine, separate water heater, double sinks in the bathroom, and a combined shower tub. We have 3 bedrooms with closets, accent paint on that wall. All the bedrooms also have laminate flooring and ceiling fans. This is the last bedroom. And then our little upstairs unit has a walk-out balcony. Nice quiet neighborhood.